This is the practice test for percents, and here we're working on problem number 9, which says 78 is 19.5% of what number? So in any of these percent problems, we have to first decide what am I looking for, and there are three things you could be looking for: the part, the percent, or the total. So we look at the problem and we're given the percent, so we know we're not looking for the percent. And an important clue in these problems is that whenever we see the phrase percent of, that's followed by the total. So we see that right here, percent of is followed by what number? And so that is what it's asking us for. It's asking us for the total. So we go to our formula on the handout sheet for the total, and the total is equal to the part divided by the percent. And the 78 is going to be the part divided by 19.5%. And you can change the 1/2 to 0.5. You would take 78 divided by 19.5. You would have to hit the percent key on your calculator and then equal, and you should get 400. And so 78 is 19.5% of 400.